If you're running a small business, tracking tax-deductible expenses is crucial to minimizing your tax burden. It might sound complicated, but it's simpler than you think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to track your tax-deductible expenses so you can keep more of your hard-earned money. Stick with me until the end, because I've got a special offer just for you that'll make the process even easier. First things first, identify what counts as a tax-deductible expense. These are the costs your business incurs that the IRS allows you to write off, reducing your taxable income. Common examples include business travel, office supplies, equipment, and certain meals. Understanding these categories helps you know what to track from the start. The key to managing these expenses effectively is good organization. Keeping receipts is essential. Instead of just shoving them in a drawer, organize them digitally or physically. There are apps and software that let you snap photos of receipts and store them for tax time. I recommend doing this every time you make a purchase, so you don't scramble at the end of the year. Next, set up a system for categorizing your expenses. Whether it's software or a simple spreadsheet, assign each expense to the appropriate category. This makes tax time a breeze when you need to total up your deductions. A good system will also help you track the percentage of each expense that's related to your business, especially if you use certain items for both personal and business purposes. For example, a home office space or car mileage needs to be tracked accurately to make sure you're not missing out on potential deductions. When it comes to managing your tax-deductible expenses, using software is a game changer. I've tested out some of the most popular tools for tracking these expenses, and there's one that stands out for its ease of use and ability to categorize everything automatically. I've linked a free trial of this software in the description below, exclusively for viewers of this channel. If you want to follow along, you'll have full access to the tool during the trial period. One of the best features of this software is its ability to integrate with your bank and credit accounts. This means it automatically pulls in your transactions and categorizes them, saving you time. Just be sure to regularly review your entries to make sure everything's classified correctly. Automation helps, but it's always smart to double-check. Another important tip is keeping track of business mileage. If you use your car for business purposes, you can write off the miles you drive. Many software tools allow you to log your mileage automatically via GPS, or you can enter it manually if needed. It's a great way to capture another tax-deductible expense that many people forget. Now, don't forget about your business meals and entertainment. To qualify for deductions, the expenses must be directly related to your business. Whether it's a client lunch or a business conference dinner, keep a record of the date, the purpose, and who you met with. Some software will even help you log these in real time, which makes things easier. As you track these expenses throughout the year, keep in mind that the IRS requires that you have adequate documentation. This is where digital tools can really make a difference. By having everything organized, you'll not only make tax season easier, but you'll also be prepared in case of an audit. The key takeaway here is to stay organized, track your expenses regularly, and use software that helps streamline the process. With the right tools and a little attention to detail, you can ensure you're claiming every tax-deductible expense available to your business. Quick revision. First, identify what's deductible, then organize and categorize your expenses. Use software to automate the process. Keep good records of business mileage, and track meals and entertainment. Before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. It's the best way to start tracking your tax-deductible expenses without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.